Okay, this is a Case 2290. Cold start. It's about a couple degrees Celsius. So chilly. Probably right around 0 without the sun in here. It has 5,627 hours. It's got a Case 6-cylinder 504 engine, turned up a little bit. It's 130 horsepower stock. It's probably got an easy 20 more horsepower bump. And okay, here we go. Throttle, put halfway, fuel's on, that's the key. It's all the way forward now. There. I just pulled the back once it started firing. So yeah, and then when it's plugged in, it starts up with 0 smoke when it's plugged in. But I forgot to plug it in last night, so oh well. Still didn't start too hard. Got idler down a little bit. Right at 800. Okay. To put the booster on it because the batteries are low. It'll take a while for that engine block to warm up. And this is our 9280, the 855 Cummins, 375 horsepower. It's the non-power shift model, 4x4, so 16 gears. And this one's got a 4 gear, 3 power shift unit, so this is a 12 gear unit, and it's it's connected to a Valpro 8100 with the feed chopper. So it basically does the work of a tub grinder. So these guys spin really, really fast, and then if you want, and then when you bed, or if you decide that for whatever reason you don't want to chop your feed, you disconnect here, that drops down, you shut this off, and then you just have just the main drum spinning, and then it's just like a regular bell processor. Oh, and it also has the grain drum, Easy Feed 2, and what that does is it puts this new system on the older Highline units. It would put grain on top of the feed. This one puts it right into the drum as it's getting spit out, so it mixes the grain right in with the feed, so it's a bit better there too. But this one takes up a bit of horsepower, the bell processor. It'll bog our NX 120 right down, and that's like, I believe that's a 105 PTO horsepower. It's right 105, 110, right around there. This guy will lug a little bit, but it won't drop down very much at all. So maybe a couple hundred RPM. But yeah, so it was a cold start of a Case 2290 with a 504 Case engine. Actually a pretty good engine. out there, and that is our MX 120. Park. Bit of white smoke now just from unburnt steel, just from being cold yet, but not really any blue. Not very much, if any, not very much at all blow by either. So yeah, the motor's still pretty good shape. And they use these motors right up to about, right at, if not just a little bit above 200 horsepower on the bigger tractors. They had the bigger 4x4 Craft Sphere cases. But, I know the weak link on these tractors are the power shift transmission. They can't take up too much horsepower before they go. So that's why I didn't turn it up too much. But yeah, that's it. Case 2290 in our Valpro 8100 by Highline with the feed chopper and grain dispenser. So yeah, that's about it.